Hello everyone, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. This is the second part for free blogging course. So today I share how to customize your free blogger website with a responsibility and Google AdSense approved templates. So never forget to subscribe my channel because today I share this theme totally free in my description box for my subscriber. Let's go. For customize your free blogger website, you have to at first log in your blogger account. Then you have to copy your theme or templates code. For code copy, you have to open your theme with a notepad and copy this and again go your website. Then click on theme and click on drop down, then click on edit HTML. Okay, then you can see your you have before a HTML code. Please copy this and remove this, then paste here your templates code, then click on save button. After click on save button, you can see your update is successful. Okay, now you can view your website. For view your website, click on view blog. Okay, you can see my website are updated with a templates. Okay, for customize your templates or theme, you have to click on layout. After click on layout, you can see like this interface. At first you have to change your header logo. For change your header logo, you have to click on edit button and you can see here is upload image from computer option are available, and click here and click on choose file, and I am select my header logo and you can see my header logo are upload here best photo and click on save button. Okay, you have to also change your mobile logo. Click on edit button and click on upload image from computer and choose file, and I chose my file and click on save button. Okay, then save. You have to stop your header ads because this is not recommended before Google AdSense. Okay, now we change the social menu. Okay, click on share button and you can see here is some social button available. Now we change this button. Okay, for social menu you have to click on edit button. You can see Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram has available here. I delete this. If you want to add another social menu, click on add a new item. Okay, now I want to add my Twitter accounts. Okay, now I am logging my Twitter accounts for connect with my blogger accounts. Okay, for connect your Twitter accounts, you have to click on edit and site URL option. Here paste your accounts URL, then click on save button and save. Okay, now I am refresh my website and again click share button and I am click on Twitter icon, and you have to see my Twitter account I redirect from my website. So this way you can get from this your all social menu. Okay, now we change the main menu. What is main menu? You can see home, feature, layer, blogging. This is the main menu. Now we change the main menu. To customize your main menu, click on edit button, and you can see here you have many main menu, but I delete all from this because I want to custom my main menu. Okay, now I am click on add a new item. Okay, my new item name is best food. Click on save button, then click again add a new menu, and I copy my category name and paste here, and click on healthy food, and again click on add a menu and paste here, click on save. Okay, now I am refresh my website. Okay, you have to see my main menu are updated here. Home, best food, healthy food, and health are my main menu. Okay, this way you can add your main menu or category. Then scroll down. Okay, you can see sidebar right A. Here is all again social plugin. Click on social plugin. Okay, this is the social plugin. You can change Facebook, you can connect your Facebook account on your website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. If you want to add any your social account, you can add here. Okay, I show this previous at first, so now I will skip that. Then you can see your popular posts are available here. Okay, I am enable this, I don't remove this, and subscribe us. You can see here is subscribe us. You can add your YouTube channel from here code, but I recommended it that you have to remove this because this is a option from your templates. So Facebook also I remove this. Tag option you can do off because category and text are same. Okay, then again go your website and give a refresh. Okay, you can see here is my main menu and social plugin. Popular posts are available here. When you post your website, then your popular posts are show here, and your post or home page are available here, and here is show your category category option. I mean this is, so scroll down, then go on again layout and section left, section center, section right. Okay, this is section left, this is section right. Okay, you can change this also. For change you have to click on edit this recent post. Okay, I remove this and click on add a gadget and click on image. Okay, because I add here my header logo. For upload your image, click on upload image from computer and click on choose file and select your file. Then you can see your header logo are upload here, and I copy my website description. Okay, my description are paste caption box, then click on save button. Okay, then you can see section center. I remove all from here. Okay, then click on add a gadget, then click on feature post, and on this option then click on save button. Okay, here is random post. This stay this difficultly. Okay, and again go on website and refresh your website. Okay, you can see my website's logo are upload here, and description are upload here, and my future post will be available here, but I have no post at this time. Here is my random post will be available when I am post here. Okay, then you can see home, about, and contact us. Next class I show how to create home, about, and contact us page, and how to connect your page, home, best food, health, and home, about, contact, all pages are connected your website. So stay with us, and thanks for watching.